Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Ture Nayab, bringing to you yet another episode on the Aptitude series. So, we decided we want to go ahead with our race questions, and we have already done one question in our previous video. Here we go with the second one. So, the question is actually quite easy, and honestly, a lot of times, if we just read in between the lines, we will be able to solve it very, very quickly. Okay, and that is most certainly the case here. So it says in a 200-meter race, A beats B by 35 meter or 7 seconds. Okay, now oftentimes people ignore when something is given with the word or. We shouldn't do that. At least here we shouldn't. Okay, we'll talk about as to why. Now, A's time over the course is how much? So, what is the total time taken by A? For starters, A won the race because it says A beats B by some 35 meter or 7 seconds. Meaning, let's say if it were 200-meter race, so A, when it came here at 200, B was about 35 meters away, which was about at 165. Okay. Having said that, the distance between them is at 35. And then it took B 7 seconds to reach at 200 points. Right? Now, if you think about it, what is speed? Speed is the distance covered by a person slash car or vehicle in a unit time. So we are saying it took 37 seconds to be in order to cover 35 meters. So distance is 35 meter and time is 7 seconds. We can calculate the speed of B using this. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So speed of B is 5 meter per second. Once we go ahead with that, we know the speed of B is 5 meters per second, right? Now, we need to know how much time A has taken. So, first of all, since we know the speed of B and we know that B covered the total distance of 200 meters, right? So, we can calculate total time taken by B to complete the entire race. So, total time by B would be the total distance divided by the speed. So total distance is 200 by speed is 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20 and 40 seconds. Therefore, B took a complete time of 40 seconds in order to go from 0 to 200. Right? Now, we need to find A's time, not B. And we know that A took 7 seconds less than B. Therefore, A's time is going to be 40 minus 7 equals to 33 seconds. Now, oftentimes a lot of people might come up till here, total time taken by B and mark 40 because that's there in the options. However, we need to read the question properly and see that we need to find the time taken by A, right? Which is 7 seconds less than what is the time taken by B. That is why we did 40 minus 7 equals 33 seconds. I hope this question is understood. If you have any more questions that you would like for me to take up, please be sure to put them on the comment section and we will be sure to take up those questions. If you have any more doubts that you'd like to clarify, you can go watch the previous videos. If you want us to take up any more topics, you can always post them in the comments. Other than that, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe.